All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the surface area of pyramids. But before we do, it's important that you know the different parts of the pyramid so that you can apply the formulas. So looking at our formula in the box over here, we notice that we have the letter H, that is your height. Your height goes at the top and it travels its way into the middle of your square because this is a square-based pyramid. So you start at the very top and you work your way down to the bottom. That is considered your height. Then we have this L, okay? And if you notice, this L is representing your slant height, and that's going along the outside of your pyramid, so along the face of your pyramid. So that is what's called your slant height. Then you have what's called what I call big B. Your big B stands for area of the base, so the area of your square. Remember to find the area of the square, it's just side squared. A couple other things that you need to notice in your surface area formula is that there is a P. This P stands for perimeter. That means the perimeter of the base. So now what we're going to do, now that we have that information, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. So the first thing I like to do is start off with our formula. Our formula is 1/2 times L. Remember that L is our slant height, and when we look at our pyramid here, our slant height is 2.5 feet. So 1/2 times 2.5 times, and then the next part is P for perimeter. So that's the perimeter of our base. So that's something that I usually like to find off to the side. So I'll usually put P equals. And we do know that in a square, all of the sides are congruent or equal. So all I need to do is take that 3.5 and multiply it times 4 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on Desmos. I'm going to take 3.5 and I'm going to multiply it times the 4 congruent sides, and I'm left with 14. So I know my perimeter is 14. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer that over here. The next part of the formula is telling us to add the area of the base. So that's something I like to do off to the side as well. I know to find the area of a square, it's basically side squared. So I'm going to take my 3.5. Whoops, clear all, 3.5. And I'm going to go ahead and square that. And when I take 3.5 and square it, I get 12.25. So plus 12.25. I want to make sure I continue that in my formula. So now all I need to do, I'm going to hit clear all in Desmos, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in all of that information. So the first part was 1/2, or you could have done 0.5. That would have worked as well. And then I'm going to multiply that times our slant height, which was 2.5. Whoops, let me go back. 2.5. There we go. Times our perimeter, which was 14, plus our area of the base, which is 12.25. And so my surface area of that entire square base pyramid is 29 75/100. And I'm going to go ahead and put my units, which is feet squared. It's squared because we are dealing with area. So just to kind of recap quickly, all you need to do is plug in your information. We keep 1/2 the same. L stands for your slant height. P stands for perimeter of your base, plus your big B, which is the area of the base. And your perimeter and area of your base, you kind of want to do that off to the side and then plug it into your formula. So that's how you find the surface area of pyramids.